Several times before, we have brought you information about the new features that will be offered to the WhatsApp application, and in a previous report, we reported to you a message sent by the company Meta through the WhatsApp application to users using the WhatsApp Beta Edition facility was given. Before adding this feature to WhatsApp, there was no editing facility to correct a mistake in a sent message, and the only thing that could be done was to delete the message completely and resend the correct message. WhatsApp has started to provide the message edit feature to the users. For this, editing of the relevant message should be done within 15 minutes of sending message, and then the person who sent the message loses the ability to edit the message. To edit a sent message, you can edit the message by long pressing on it and selecting Edit from the menu, then comes through it. After editing the message, it is indicated that it has been edited and the name edited is shown in small under the message, and through it other users are informed that the message has been edited. At present, Meta company has worked to provide this facility to WhatsApp users all over the world. It will be gradually rolled out to all users over the course of these 2 weeks, Meta said in a statement. Stay tuned for more updates like this. Thank you.
My body is the engine, I'm never second guessing. I just do what I was destined, cause I feel I got the blessing. Persistence and obsession, that's